Hello, I'm Jyoti Sharma and you're watching Agribusiness News powered by FTB Organic. Let's start with the latest agribusiness update. Syngenta India has stepped in to provide support to help farmers cope with healthcare challenges. The company is rolling out a series of CSR initiatives across the country towards strengthening healthcare infrastructure. Make Money Organics Limited has been accorded the status of 4-star export house by the Ministry of Commerce and Industry, recognizing the business house as status holder by the central government authorities in an achievement and proud moment for the organization. Anupam Rasayan has received and signed contract amounting to rupees 540 crore from two renowned multinational companies dealing in the fields of life sciences chemical. Tenure of the contract is for 5 years, where life sciences related specialty chemicals will be provided to these companies by Anupam Rasayan. This season, Rice Tech and Adama planned a limited launch of Max Ace rice crop solution system that pairs Rice Tech herbicide tolerant rice cultivators with Adama proprietary herbicide. Dr. Kishore Indukuri, owner of brand Seeds Farms, believes in sustainable agriculture. His brand is involved in the Inch dairy farming. His success story in every way, as after years in the US, he returned home and has set up a successful dairy business. He interacted with Krishi Jagran and said,
Hi, I am Dr. Kishore Indukuri and I am the founder of Seeds Farm Private Limited. Seeds Farm is a small niche dairy and supplies pure unadulterated milk to customers directly. After spending about a decade in the US, I decided to come back to India. I felt something was missing in my life and I wanted to try something big. Right? Agriculture was something that was always close to my heart. When I used to travel back to India during my stay in the US, I would visit agricultural fields of my family, and I was always motivated. I was always inspired by agriculture. So that's how my idea of getting into agriculture, originated, and starting with agriculture, I got into dairying because I felt that there was not enough pure milk that was supplied in the city. So that's how the idea of Seeds Farm was born.
Greaves Cotton said it has seen an exponential growth in its non-automotive business, with the revenue from this segment jumping 76% in the fourth quarter of last fiscal despite the pandemic. Samunati is extremely proud to announce its collaboration with Deshpande Foundation, an NGO founded to accelerate the creation of sustainable and scalable enterprises that have significant social and economic impact. The aim of the collaboration is to nurture startups in the agriculture and agri-tech ecosystem and enable them to grow, build the ecosystem and make markets work for smallholder farmers. Syngenta Group appoints Daniel Vennard, former Global Director at the World Resources Institute, as Chief Sustainability Officer. Corteva Agri-Science is strengthening its portfolio for soybean culture with the launch of the fungicides VO1 and Approach Power, developed after more than 10 years of research. JK Tyre and Industries jumped over 6% after the company reported a consolidated profit after tax of 194.96 crore for the March quarter of the previous fiscal year. Sonalika Tractor takes major step during Corona period. It announced financial assistance of rupees 2 lakh for the safety of its every employees and dealers. What's Up Basai by Krishi Jagran released its weekly edition yesterday, where Associate Editor Vipin Saini talked about biostimulant facts and frequently asked questions. For more agri updates, keep watching Krishi Jagran. Thank you.